YUSHAN blood pressure system. Please remember to take off your film. You're going to be given an 18650 battery. This is the positive, the negative. It goes in this way. On the back of the machine, you're going to take the battery, slide it on, take the door, close it into place. But before I do that, you have the options to put AA batteries inside, 3 of them. Close up. The unit's telling you it's the month and year. You have a delete, person A and B, set, positive, negative, start and stop, light color on light background. We're going to hit the set button. The month, February, March, April, May, June, July. Hit the set button and go to the date that you believe it is, 7/9. You're going to hit the set button and it's going to be 10. Hit the set and it's 16. So we're all set up for our time and everything. Once you hit the set, you're on 10/16. The unit's quiet. You're going to take the USB-A cable that you've been given. You get a cable to charge the unit by plugging into the side over here. And you'll see the 18650 battery starting to charge. When that stops moving, you're fully charged. You have a hose that plugs into the opposite side over here. You have an armband that's adjustable for extra large, and you're given a carrying bag. In order to use the machine, you're going to have to press a number of buttons. You can hit the person A, person B, and back to person A. And if you start to press on the buttons, you'll see that you can go up and down with the positive and negative. If you hit the delete button, you may delete off the person A or B with the delete. When you hit the start and stop, that'll start the machine. So what we're going to do now is check our blood pressure. We're going to open up the strap, slide our hand in. We're going to bring up the stethoscope right up here. And the machine is going to tell us to not talk. So we need to be a little quiet. So we're going to hit the start button. And I am going to take my microphone so you can listen to the actual machine say what it has to say. Let's get started. Hit the start button. It lights up.
Place the cuff at the same level as your heart. Don't move and keep quiet. Your systolic pressure is 127 millimeter of mercury. The diastolic pressure is 81 millimeter of mercury. The heart rate is 83 beats per minute. According to World Health Organization standards, your blood pressure level is normal.
So we did our test, and we're going to remove the armband. And you can see our results, the date, memorize number A, 1, the amount of power, the pulse, and the blood pressure on a scale. And let's say I want to delete. It's telling me to delete, and you're going to have to follow the information over here to hit delete. If I go person 1, it says delete, my information's gone. So I turn the machine back on. There's no information in number A. If you're going to use this for multiple days and keep the records, you just go to A, up on 1, up on 2, up on 3, and it'll tell you the information even though this is moving. And we'll do our best to show you some of those dates. So we're here with the date, how many times, my pulse, the battery level, and the pressure of the system and DIA, and the 4 times I've did. So I am at 140 on my very first try, and then getting towards the recent, I am down to 120 by 79. So if you're looking for a blood pressure system that's easy to use, this product may be right for you.